Playtime, and so today I'm going to show you how to make your own crystals at home, just using stuff from around the house, and it's so easy and it's so cool. You can even make this for your science fair or your science project or anything. You can just make them for a present, or you can just have some fun and just grow some crystals at home, you know, like they're so cool and it's so easy to do. So I'm going to show you how to make this activity at home and have fun while you're doing it, and just have a little bit of a science experiment, and just we can all get excited together. So come with me and let's have fun making these awesome crystals at home. So the things that you need for your activity today is some borax, a glass bowl or a glass container, some pipe cleaners, some string, a pencil, and some scissors. So let's get started. So the first thing we need to do is get our container, and we want 3 to 4 tablespoons of our borax. Now I got my borax from Bunnings, but you can actually get it from Safeways now in Australia. I saw it the other day. We want 3 to 4, so 1, 2, 3, one more for good luck, 4. And just be really careful with borax because it can be irritating to the skin. Now we want 3 cups of boiling hot water because we want to dissolve this borax into nothing. So that's what's going to help our crystals grow. So using some hot water, I just boiled the kettle. Just ask for someone to help you if you can't do it yourself. Okay, so now I've put the 3 cups of hot water in here. I'm just going to just stir it around and just make sure that it's completely dissolved. So we're just going to pop that aside and move on to the next part of our activity. And that means we're going to need our string, our pipe cleaners, our pencil, and our scissors. So if you grab your pipe cleaners out, and basically what you want to do is just roll it into a shape that you want your crystal to form in. So I'm just going to like wrap this pipe cleaner in like a bit of a circle. So then that way it can grow crystals all the way up the pipe cleaner. And then we're just going to use my string, and basically the string needs to attach to our crystals and it needs to attach to our pencil. Okay, so now we've got all 3 ready to go, and we just want to cut any excess string off because they're just going to get in our way. The thing is it's really important to make sure that in our container it doesn't hit the bottom and it doesn't hit the side, because that's where the crystals can actually settle and it can actually rip your bundle of crystals apart. So we want to make sure that they're floating beautifully in the middle. Okay, so we've now put our pipe cleaners into our mixture of borax and boiling water. We now have to leave it to cool, and we also need to leave it for 2 days until we can have a look to see what's growing. But we can be sneaky and we can have a look to see what happens in the next couple of hours, in the next day, until the 2 days is up, and see what we have. So fingers crossed my crystals work, and I hope yours does too at home, and let's see what we have in 2 days time. See you soon. Bye. Okay, so I've left my crystals for 2 days. And this is what I've got. I've got evaporated water, and I've got my crystals all hanging on my pencil. And they have turned out awesome. Like if you actually look really closely, you can see the sparkles of the crystal. And they've really held nicely onto my pipe cleaners. So definitely try this at home. This is really cool. This is an awesome activity. It's really cool for like science experiments, definitely, or a science project or something. So give it a go. I'd love to hear what you think. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe if you haven't already, and write in the comments below on how your crystals worked, and let me know if you love this video. There's so many more awesome videos to come. I'm sorry this one took a little while to get up online, but it's here now, and I hope you like it. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe if you haven't already, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye for now.